9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is Saktivel welcoming you to NumberRoyale. We've got a great show today. We've got several people coming in. A shout out to Selvi17, Rasiga Venkat, B, Shaker, Kumaran, Supersonic, Jayamani, Ratna, Siddharth. So I know you're all joining us from various locations, and hope you're all enjoying your forced stay-at-home vacation or staying back. So let's just a couple of items. Remember, one thing that you may or may not be aware of is that you must use all the numbers that are given to get the desired result. So if there are 3 numbers, you must use all 3. If there are 4, you must use all 4. There was also a comment the other day that you did not have enough time to solve it, so we added extra 5 seconds for the 3 number and the 4 number. So we're listening to various items. So sorry about that. Took care of some technical issues that are coming up. So we have so send us your comments, and we'll be responsive and take care of it ASAP. All right. So now let's get started on game number 1, which is going to be 2 numbers, the usual warm-up question: 8, 3, and a desired result of 11. You've got addition and subtraction operators. Is it 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8? And you get points based on how many others gave the solution that you gave. So for example, in this case, let's see how many of you gave 8 plus 3. Is 27 of you have given 8 plus 3, so you all get 27 points. 2 of you have given 3 plus 8, so you get 2 points. But no harm done. You still, even if you did not get the answer, you would move on and play on to question 2. This is a decimal. It looks complicated, but it's pretty simple. 6.6, 1.333, and the desired result is 5.267. So it's a concept that we are going after, not just you don't need to do all this 3 decimal addition subtraction type stuff. So 24 of you have given the correct answer. It's 6.6 minus 1.333, and the desired result is 5.267. So the others, just pay attention to it. Don't be intimidated by decimals. The numbers just look big, but bottom line is it's 6 minus 1 is 5, and that's how you kind of estimate and do it. You don't have to do it to the 3rd decimal place accuracy. You're going to get it right. So let's move on to question 3. 9, 7, 1, and the desired result of 64. Remember, the multiplication operator is lit up, so use that if necessary. I'm trying to add it in my mind. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 1 is 17. So there's no way I'm getting it just by addition or subtraction. So you know the drill. So go ahead and get it done. Multiplication throws, hope you remember your old multiplication tables. That's good. 20 of you have done 9 times 7 plus 1 is 64, and 2 of you have done 7 times 9 plus 1 is 64. You're all correct, and the leader now is at 71 points after the 3rd question. Let's move on to question 4. 8, 5, and 1 with a desired result of 41. There are 4 possible solutions, and let's see how you end up with which solutions you are coming up with. It's pretty obvious where you have to be when you have 41 and there are three small numbers that are given. So I also wanted to find out how many of you invited your friends and family to join us today. I want you to put that on the chat. So the 23 of you gave 8 times 5 is 40 plus 1 is 41. So the other answer was given by 5 of you. So the leader now is at 94 points. And let's move on to question number 5. This is the last question for 3 numbers. It's 5, 9, 17, and the desired result is 62. So this is going to be a bit interesting. I'm trying to see how I would solve it. I think it's interestingly, it's going to be a multiplication. You just have to pick the right numbers and go ahead with it. So is that going to be 5 times 9 or 9 times 5? 9 times 5 is the leader, plus 17 gives you 62. 17 of you have given that answer, and the other answer is given by 2 of you. So the leader now is at 111 points. Look at where you are. You've got 3 questions to catch up to the leader or beat him or her. All right, so let's move on to question 6. 4 numbers, 4, 2, 6, and 3. The desired result is 5. There are 60 possible solutions. This is just addition and subtraction. So, it's a pretty simple addition subtraction operation. And I know you have been at this long enough that you can get this going. So go ahead. I had asked you a question. How many friends and family have you invited? We're still at about 32, 33 people. We need to get it up beyond 50 tomorrow. So that's a challenge to you. 8 out of the possible 60 solutions have been given. So the leading point getters are 4 and 4. There are 2 possible solutions that have been given. So the others are 3, 2, and 1. So you have there is not a whole lot of distancing going on right now. Everybody is bunched up with the leader getting only 4 points in this. So let's move on to question 7. 9, 30, 8, and 27 are the operands. 20 is the desired result. There are 90 possible solutions. So I hope you can come up with one of them. And your solutions seem to be quite varied. So you may be coming up, I want to see whether you're getting into 10 digits in terms of double-digit number of solutions that's being offered by you. So let's take a quick look. There are 7 possible solutions have been given. The leading point getter is 8. Let's take a look at your point and see how you compare with the leader who is at 121 points. 9 plus 8 is 17. 30 minus 27 is 3. So 17 plus 3 is 20. So that's the leading point getter in this. And let's move on to the final question, question number 8. I believe there may be a small twist thrown in here. There is a multiplication available in this as well. So it's 10, 9, 20, and 18. So how do you get 38 out of it? By addition, subtraction, multiplication. So, you don't have to use all the operators, as you know. Use whatever is necessary and lock your results in. By the way, if you love NumberRoyale, let your friends and family know. There are 3 possible solutions have come up. 127 is the leading point getter right now. And we've got the leading point getter for this particular problem is 7 points. 20 plus 18 is 38. And then 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 times 38 is 38. So that's the leading point getter. And there is a question about how to play. And we can, we'll give you some information. We can put it up on YouTube and give you a demo videos, so you can figure out how to do that. So It's just touching the numbers, and I don't want to spend too much time on it, so we'll get you the information on YouTube as well as. So let's go take a look at who the leaders are and who the winners are for this match. There are 20 winners, each at 25 points apiece. The leading point getter is Siddharth at 127, Selva at 123, Srinidhi at 121. The others, Shekhar, Rasiga, Venkat, and Rita, and Scrappy 434 coming in right behind them. So congratulations to each and every one of you who played the match. You're all winners. You spent 10 minutes in a fruitful manner today, and to have fun, to have company with other players, compete with them. That's more than most other people have done. So pat yourself on the back. Great job. Congratulations. And we crown Siddharth as the number royale for the day with 127 points. He leads the next place by 4 points. So congratulations, Siddharth. Great job. And we look forward to seeing each and every one of you tomorrow. Remember, go ahead and invite at least one of your friends. I know some of you have Facebook friends that are in the hundreds and thousands. So get them in, share the fun, share the wealth. This is Saktivel signing off. Remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow.